Hey guys, it's Ashley, your parts and accessories girl here at Hully Gully, and today we're talking to you about VHF radios, what they are, how you use them, and do you need one? So let's get started. What is a VHF radio? VHF stands for very high frequency. It's used for ship-to-ship or ship-to-shore communication. Although not required by boats under 65.5 feet long, a VHF Marine Radio allows you and your boat to communicate with other boats, marinas, bridges, and the US and Canadian Coast Guard. So why should you have one of these? The VHF radio is the primary means of communication on coastal waters, and it's more effective than a CB radio or a cell phone because it gets better reception than a cell phone ever will on the water. The source of a VHF signal can be located throughout fog and other bad weather. Speaking of bad weather, most VHF Marine radios have instant access to NOAA forecasts 24 hours a day. Now we're going to be getting into how to use your VHF radio, starting with how to signal for distress. Using maritime VHF channel 16 and repeating pan 3 times to signal your need for assistance. Using VHF channel 16 and repeating Mayday 3 times to signal imminent danger or a life-threatening situation. Here's an example of a non-emergency call. Lobster Cage Marina, Lobster Cage Marina, Lobster Cage Marina. This is the motor vessel Cat Lady. Over.
Cat Lady, Cat Lady, Cat Lady. This is Lobster Cage Marina. Over.
Please switch and listen to channel 68. Over.
Switching. Channel 68. Out.
All conversations, whether on a hailing channel or on a working channel, should be kept short and to the point. That's it for the VHF Marine Radio. Thanks for watching. For more information on VHF Marine Radios and training, contact the Canadian Power and Sail Squadron.